Hi, Chris Johnson here. Thank you once again so much for requesting more information about my school assemblies. The information you requested should be delivered to your email inbox very quickly, automatically. If you don't see the information very soon, please double check your junk and spam folders. Especially if you're using a school email address, school email servers are hypersensitive and often have a very difficult time getting information through those email servers. If you still don't see the information in your junk and spam folders, please let me know, and I may be able to send it to you a different option, whether it's through a personal email address or some other fashion. We'll work it out together. Finally, the information you're receiving will not have prices in it because I travel to multiple states, so I need to know your city and state before I can give you prices. If you filled out that information when you filled out the contact form, fantastic. I receive that information instantaneously, and as soon as I have a moment, I can go into my system and send you the appropriate prices for your area. I am a one-man operation, but I can usually get those prices to you within an hour or so, depending on my schedule. The prices will include school assembly discounts for multiple schools in your area, multi-assemblies in the same day, all the information you could possibly want. And if you still have more questions, please let me know. And you can also check out really quick information in PDF form right below this video, right on this webpage. There are one-page documents, very colorful, very bright, giving you the highlights of every assembly right here on this webpage. And there are also 3 fun reports on this webpage too. Money-saving reports and different options to help you save money on my assemblies, and even a report to help you choose the best assemblies for your school, not just mine. So, with that said, I'm Chris Johnson. Thank you once again for your information. I look forward to hearing from you soon.